vlog. But like, how cute. She does really cool like pop culture prints that I'm really obsessed with, and it loads. Okay, I had a good day today.
I've had an excellent day.
I told them that we had a photo shoot and I showed them some of the photos.
I got to play dress up.
And now I'm working on some stories. Okay, here's my new look. This is Haley. Anyways, I met Megan and Jane. I'm so excited about this new hat I got in today from 1111. This is Cowboy Caviar. You have good taste. I think it's just like the coolest, cutest little hat. Trying to decide currently what I want to read tonight. Let's do face mask. Should we do a face mask tonight? First, let's check that we have face masks. I actually do have the Loops bedtime mask. Just in case you guys were wondering what the day was looking like. It looks like a face mask and a book. I have no makeup on anymore. In bed. And I think that's gonna be nice. Way too many like trucker hats to my name. This is probably my favorite. This is from a little bar called Ray's, and it says well, you can't really tell, but it says the champagne of bars. And I just think it is way too cute. And sorry that, there we go. It's like my favorite hat ever. I mean, this is so nice. It's important to have a really good social life at night. You guys, this Pedro Pascal sweatshirt is my new, I don't know how much of it you can see, is my new favorite article of clothing. Wake up super early in the mornings so that I can feel like I'm doing things. This is currently what the website looks like right now. I'm thinking about changing up a few things. I like that you can currently shop like the Instagram, see events we have going on. So I've been needing some new prints for the store. Did some prints on the Walmart photo print shop online. So let's see what one of these might look like. Actually not the perfect fit that I would have hoped for. So I did this one of Doris Day and Rock Hudson. Not me forgetting my favorite person's name. Today's look hasn't really come together in the way that I would have loved for it to. I tried like 15 different ways. And this is what we've landed on. So it's happening like this. Welcome to Get New Things Out Day. Always a fun time. You can see, I'm gonna start on this box, I think. Right now, I'm catching up. I'm watching Reeves's vlog. Okay, so I am currently making stories of all of our new items, just so these can like go on and show everybody, you know, what's new. Alright, I'm doing some shipping, so I'm gonna print some labels for everyone. Luckily all of our things hook up to this and it makes everything so much easier. Good times, good times. And then this is just the first batch, and then I'll do another one when I'm done with these so I don't get them all mixed up. Today it's just me and Abby. Here she is. She's restocking some bags.
Attempting to.
Restocking, and we're meeting with Amanda Upprichard later to pick out clothes for like months and months away. So that'll be fun, and Casey will be here soon.
Wait, we're picking out for what?
I guess like almost like fall, like August, September, October.
Well, but that fall? Oh. Okay.
So we're picking out some Amanda Upprichard. So many cute things.
Caroline, when you see this and you go to edit, just know that I love you and you're the best boss.
I second that. Caroline Ward, best boss ever. Kiss up. The Mix, best place to work ever.
I'm about to jump on a call for a secret project. So let me jump on that real quick and do a little work. What am I saying? So I'm just gonna run through. I grabbed some of my favorites from this last month, from March, and then a few of them were on my Kindle, so I was like, you know, I'll just give a quick rundown on here in the middle of the vlog. All right, so first up we have Stone Cold Fox by Rachel Collar Croft. You guys, I loved so many things about this book. It was very character driven. Like there wasn't a massive plot with it. I would say most of these characters weren't very likable people. I can't even remember the names now. Basically a girl named Bia, you realize very early on that's not her real name. This isn't her real story. She's engaged to this very wealthy man from a wealthy family named Colin. She meets his family. His best friend's a girl who is in love with him, starts putting, you know, her story together. It's basically just, you know, I actually have a lot of highlighting in this book, and I read it on a plane. I read like 18 books in March, and this was a 5-star one. So next I read Meet Me in Monaco by Hazel Gaynor and Heather Webb. This, I have to do some research on this. This was another 5-star read, which is it's basically like loosely based on Grace Kelly and her marriage to the Prince of Monaco. But this follows 2 people whose names I just forgot, Sophie and James, and basically how their lives interlock with Grace Kelly's. I don't think this is a true story, but it kind of teaches you the history of it and things like that. I'm actually reading another book of hers right now called Strangers in the Night about Frank Sinatra and Ava Gardner. And this was just like such a important like time in life, and those are some of my favorite movies. Okay. Next, Georgie All Along. I think I may have talked about this in my last vlog. I loved this book. I'm not a big romance reader, and like when I do read romance, I like for it to typically have a little bit of like crime or something thriller mixed in. But this is about a girl named Georgie who goes back to her hometown, and her parents are like on a trip, so she's staying at their house and she's helping her friend, where she finds this friend-fic diary of all the things that she wanted to do. She realizes she never did any of them, so she's going to do them now as an adult. Also, this would be such a cute movie. And she meets this guy who's also staying in her parents' house, and she used to be in love with his brother. And I mean, you kind of can guess where that is going. And then he's like, I will help you with your friend-fic. Why it's called friend-fic, I don't know. But this book was so cute, and then it inspired me to go out and buy another romance book. This is Part of Your World. I can't remember anybody's name. This is about Alexis, who is like traveling back to the city after an event, and her car gets stuck, and this guy named Daniel saves the day. And then they meet each other in the bar, and basically they have 2 different lives. This is him in the country with a goat, and this is her in the city where she's a doctor. She's just come out of a relationship. It's supposed to just be like a quick fling. Obviously it's not, but the story is a lot deeper than that, and they're good characters. And I love this book. So far all of these have been 5-star reads. Okay. Next, I want to say this was a 4-star read. This is The Perfect Marriage by Geneva Rose. I loved this book. The only thing I didn't love about it was the ending. I was reading the end and I was like, that was it. This is basically about a woman named Sarah who, I'm literally reading this, is a defense attorney, and her husband of like 10+ years is having an affair. Well, his mistress ends up dead, and then she is his attorney in court. And I mean, I like the concept, and you really didn't know throughout the whole book if he was guilty or not guilty, and that's what I liked about that. Hey everyone, I'm sorry that I look so bad. Here's Mom. Well, it's not focusing. We are prepping for a baby shower having at my house. Say hello.
Hi.
Mom just did these little arrangements with some balloons. Here's the process, and here is eventually I'm gonna have some more come down here, and then Mom has this like neon sign we're trying to figure out how to hang, so we have ordered command strips. You guys, cutest cupcakes ever. Quick shout out to Callie for this mug that I'm obsessed with. So I popped some popcorn in my popcorn machine, and I got these little bags and these stickers off Amazon, and I think they're so cute. I'm currently trying to decide if George should stay for the party or not. Gotta find a place for these flowers. It's pretty outside for now. I was gonna do the backdrop out there, but it's like 70% chance of rain, so I've skipped that. Cutest new little bag, and it's just giving bright. This is the new Neon Skims bodysuit. This blazer is from Zara, and then these neon Gucci slides, because why not? Okay, see you in a little while. Happy Sunday, everyone. I feel so good today about just like, I don't know, doing nothing, getting some random stuff accomplished. Can you see? Let's go. Anyways, I just ordered a little lunch. I mean, this has really made or break. Like, this was a make or break for the couch. So I'll make sure he looks good for you guys. Okay, cute. Daddy. I'm watching The Mentalist. I ordered some tzatziki's. Treated myself to a little chicken roll up today. And I'm having a good Sunday. I'm just like laid out here on the couch. I've put a little Hi everyone, welcome to Monday. Technically I should have done this weekly vlog Monday through Sunday, but I started like last Tuesday, so we can count this as a week. I'm not even open yet right now. It's just sometimes easier just to knock a few things out, because I'm working on some surprises for the store that I can talk about soon. So currently I am writing notes and putting together all the online orders. Like, this girl got some cute pajamas and this little fake Cosmo candle. It's so cute, and it actually smells good in like a Cosmo. I'm about to put together this order. She got some shorts, this little dress, and a tee, and I'm excited.
Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
I just got home. I'm doing groceries. I'm thinking about doing like a salad and some pasta tonight, but tell me why I did not look really well at that. I swear I saw something else and I must have just picked that up and thrown it in. So hopefully I have a different pasta with me already. I want a easy and fun way to sweat. The Jane Fonda videos are 10 out of 10. I can't like say enough good things about them. What's up? Okay, I look so pale right now. I just finished a workout. I think I'm gonna cook some dinner. Hey Google, play my listening to oldies in the kitchen playlist.
Okay, playing your Spotify playlist called Dancing in the Kitchen to Oldies.
Oh, there we go.
Dari boschi fitti e scuri, amaravamo Mussolini, e da via i San Luca, tutti amavano destino. I va verso una capanna, un bicchiere il fotava sopra un bagna, lo contrasto senza lui, riposa.
Alright, I'm editing and watching the Brooklyn Nets. I have high hopes. This is game 2. I just hope that they, I just hope they have fun. Well, I am editing for you guys and still watching the same game, but my SD card is in here and it's doing something really strange, so I'm afraid to take it out. So I think this is where I'm gonna call it a night and like an end of the vlog, because it wasn't that good. I'm looking back on it and so many things happened that I didn't vlog. I very rarely filmed other people, but I promise you I did see some other people, and next vlog is gonna be much better. Anyways, I will see you guys on the next vlog. I don't even know where to look because I'm filming on my phone, but see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.